Good morning, Primary 4. Today we will study about connectors of reason. You can open your textbook Unit 10, page 62. Connectors of reason. We use connectors like because, as, so, since. Number 1. Because. We use because in a sentence to use cause and reason. For example, A. I took off my jacket because I was too hot. B. I went to bed because I was tired. Number 2. As. We use as if two things happen at the same time. For example, A. I watched her as she opened the door. B. Turn off the light as you go out. Number 3. So. We use so to join two sentences. The reason must come first. For example, number 1. She is ill, so she cannot go to school today. B. My ice cream was delicious, so I ordered second bowl. Number 4. Since. We can use connectors of since if the second sentence explains why the action in the first occurred. For example, A. The match was cancelled since the well is flooded. B. This cow is healthy since all of its four stomachs are working well.